Hiya! Let's go back to big roll the dice, see what we can do with this £130 from my Sagittarius challenge that I've decided to scrap. We try and see if we can finish this one today. So that's 11. So I'm going to do 11, 6 and 5. And let's just do 15 for that. That's 6 and 4. That's 14. So that's 11 add 14. 6 and 4, no, that's 10. So we had 11 at first, didn't we? 11 add 10, that's 21. So let's just round it off as a 20. Forget about the 1. Let's go again. That's 5. Have we got any 5s? We'll do a 4. We'll do a 4. Okay, we'll do 4. And that's 8. That's 4 and 3. So we'll just do another 4. We'll do 2 4s, so that's 8. And 6 and a 5. Let's just do those 2 6s. So that's 12. Add 12 equals, that's 24. Well, just make it 25. That's 25. Great. So that's finished. All done. So I should have saved 150. But because I've got it in coins as well, I'll have to double check that. But reassured, it'll be there. Big roll the dice. Let's have a look, see how much we've got in here. That's 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 10 coins out of there. That's done. 150. Because I did play with coins, some of it, so that's completed now. And I will take that one out. And let's do this one, the luck of the draw, seeing as we still got some money to play with. So that's let's see what we can do with this one. Get the marker out. Jack of spades, and how much is Jack? Jack is 20. Get that out. and mark off a spade. Okay, this will go into the pouch here, and let's do one more, or whatever we can do with it. And that's a 6 of spades, which I'll round it up to 10. Spade. Alright, should we do another one? Why not? Let's do it. That's 9 of hearts, so we do a 10. We'll do a 10. And should we do another one quickly? Yeah. That's 7 of hearts, and we'll round it up to 10. See, there was a diamond. 10. Do one more, or until this is finished, might as well. That's 8 of spades. 10. Let's do another one, shall we? How much have we got here? 25. 10 of spades. 5, 10, 15, 20, 10. Okay, we're done here. Let's put that away. So we 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70 pounds on luck of the draw, and I have pulled money from luck of the draw already. I've pulled 265 pounds already. So let's see what we've got here. That went to the bank. I did pull it to complete other savings challenges, but it went off to the bank. Let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 155, yeah. 155 plus 265. So in all, so far, I've had 420 pounds out of this. Can't grumble. I think that's really good, and it's such fun as well. Get to 100. Let's do 15 in get to 100. Right, so that's 5, 10, 15. Let's do let's 5, 10. Five, 10, 15. As I said before, I'm sure I mentioned it, I don't know what I'm doing with this money. That's 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 so far. Not bad. So I'm done with my saji, and I'm going to finish this one and put it towards, this is definitely going towards my little cruise along the canal. So that's that for today. Goodness me, oh, that was a lot, but so enjoyable. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. I just love playing savings challenges. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.